Hello, and welcome to Boost Your Business English. My name is Chloe.
And I'm Alex. We are so glad you're here with us today. Thank you for clicking on this episode.
We really appreciate you spending your time with us. Today, we're talking about something that happens to everyone in business, often in the very first 5 minutes of meeting someone.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Is it that moment when a new colleague or a potential client looks at you, smiles, and says, "So, tell me about yourself"?
Exactly. And for many English learners, that simple question can cause a feeling of panic. Your mind goes blank.
Right. It's not because you don't know who you are, it's because you haven't been taught a simple, clear structure for how to answer it professionally in English.
Well, we are going to fix that today. We have a very easy 4-part formula that you can remember and use in any situation. We call it the WHAT structure.
What? I like it. It's easy to remember. What does it stand for?
I'm glad you asked. Let's break it down. The W stands for who you are. This is the simple start, just your name and your role. For example, hi, my name is Chloe and I'm a project manager.
Okay, simple enough. Who you are. What's next?
H is for how long. This is your experience or your background. For example, I've been working in project management for 5 years.
Got it. So, who you are and how long you've been doing it. WH.
Next is A for area of expertise. This is what you actually do. Be specific but brief. For example, I mainly focus on managing software development projects for our clients.
Okay, that makes sense. It tells the person what your skills are. So we have WHA. What's the T?
The T is the most important part. It stands for tie it to them. This is how you make a connection and turn your introduction into a conversation. For example, I'm really interested to learn more about your role in the company.
Oh, that's clever. So it's not just about you, it's about them too. WHAT. Who you are, how long, area of expertise, and tie it to them. That gives you a complete, confident introduction every time.
Exactly. And to help our listeners, let's give them some key phrases for each of those steps. Alex, can you walk us through some options for the W part?
Of course, for your name, the classic is, "Hi, my name is Alex." If your name is long or difficult for English speakers to pronounce, you can help them by saying, "Please call me Alex." It's very welcoming.
That's a great tip. And for your role?
You can say, "I work as," or "I'm a." For example, "I work as a graphic designer." If you want to sound a little more formal and professional, you can say, "My role involves," or "I'm responsible for." We'll practice that last one in a minute.
Excellent. What about for H? How long?
This one is straightforward. You can say, "I've been working in this field for 3 years." Or a very strong and confident phrase is, "I have a background in," for example, "I have a background in sales."
I love that one. It sounds so professional. Now for the A, your area of expertise.
Here, you can use phrases like, "I mainly focus on," or "My day-to-day work involves." This helps people understand your job better.
And finally, the T, tie it to them.
This is where you show interest. You can say, "I'm really looking forward to working with your team," or "I'd love to find out more about what you do." It opens the door for them to speak.
Perfect. Those phrases are so useful. And now we want you, our listener, to practice some of them with us. This is our hear it, repeat it, use it section. I'm going to say a phrase, leave a short pause, and I want you to repeat it out loud. Ready? I'm responsible for... One more time. I'm responsible for...
This is a fantastic phrase because it sounds much more professional than just saying I do. It shows you take ownership of your work.
Great point. Okay, phrase 2. Let's try it. I have a background in. Again, I have a background in.
This one makes you sound so experienced and confident. It's a powerful way to talk about your past work or education.
It really is. And our final phrase for today, this is for the T part. Ready? I'd love to find out more about. Last time, I'd love to find out more about.
And that is the phrase that turns an introduction into a conversation. It shows you are curious and engaged. It makes the other person feel important.
Yes, and you know, Alex, that brings us to a really key idea.
What's that?
It's what I call the turning point. The biggest problem for most learners when they have to introduce themselves isn't the words, it's the silence. It's that moment of freezing because you don't know where to start.
That is so true. The panic comes from the blank page in your mind, but the what structure fixes that. It gives your brain a map. You always know what comes next. W, then H, then A, then T. The freeze is gone because you have a plan.
It's a simple plan, but it works every time. And if you're finding this structure helpful and you want more simple plans for better business English, make sure you're subscribed to our podcast. We release new lessons every week.
Now, to show you how this sounds in a real situation, Chloe and I are going to do a couple of short role plays. In the first one, it's my first day at a new job. I meet Chloe, a new colleague, in the office kitchen.
Okay, let's do it. Scene the kitchen. I'm making coffee. Oh, hi. I don't think we've met. I'm Chloe.
Hi, Chloe. It's great to meet you. My name is Alex. I'm the new junior developer. I've just joined the tech team.
Oh, welcome to the company. It's great to have you.
Thanks. Before this, I have a background in app development from my last role. Here, I'll be mainly focusing on updating our company's mobile app. I'm really looking forward to getting started. What team are you on?
I'm on the marketing team. We'll probably be working together at some point. And scene. Okay, that was great, Alex. Listeners, did you hear the WHAT structure?
Mm-hmm.
First, W. He said his name and role. My name is Alex. I'm the new junior developer. Then H, how long, or in this case, his background. I have a background in app development. Then A, his area of expertise. I'll be mainly focusing on updating our company's mobile app. And finally, T, tie it to me, the listener. He asked, what team are you on? It was perfect, natural, friendly, and informative.
And it wasn't robotic. It flowed like a normal conversation. Now let's try a different situation. A networking event. It can be a little more formal. This time, Chloe is meeting me, a potential new client.
Okay, here we go. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please, go ahead. I'm Alex, by the way.
Lovely to meet you, Alex. My name is Chloe. I work as a consultant at Boost Consulting. I've been with the company for about 6 years now. I'm responsible for helping businesses improve their international communication strategies. It's great to meet someone who works at Tech Corp. I'd love to find out more about your recent expansion.
That's very interesting. Yes, the expansion has been a big project for us. Tell me more about these communication strategies you work on. And scene. Okay, let's break that one down. It was a little more formal, but used the same structure. W. My name is Chloe. I work as a consultant. H. I've been with the company for 6 years. A. I'm responsible for helping businesses improve communication. And the brilliant T, tie it to them, I'd love to find out more about your recent expansion. She showed she had done her research, which is very impressive at a networking event.
Right. It shows you're not just talking about yourself, you're interested in building a connection.
Exactly. Now, we know these phrases can be a lot to remember, especially when you're feeling nervous. That's why we created a special free gift for our listeners. It's called the Free Essential Business English Guide.
It is an amazing resource. It has all of today's phrases and many more in one easy-to-read PDF. You can keep it on your desk or on your phone for quick reference before a meeting or an interview.
It's completely free, and you can download it using the link in the description of this episode. We really think it will help you.
And while you're checking our description, remember that we have lots of other episodes on our channel. If you need help with writing emails, giving presentations, or making small talk, we have a lesson for you.
Okay, Chloe, before we finish, there is one more thing. I call it the big finish, the one sentence that can make your introduction truly memorable.
Ooh, I'm excited. What is it?
When you are being introduced to a new team or colleagues you'll work with, the perfect final sentence is this: I'm really looking forward to working with you.
Oh, that's so good. It's simple, it's warm, it's positive.
And almost nobody says it, which is why it makes you stand out. It shows you are a team player from the very first moment.
A brilliant final tip. Okay, now it's time for our listeners to take action. Here is your practice exercise for this week. Your homework, if you like. We want you to write your own introduction using the HWAT structure. Write down one sentence for each part. Try to keep the total introduction under 45 seconds when spoken.
And the most important part?
Practice is how you build confidence.
Absolutely. Well, that is about all the time we have for today. We hope you found this lesson useful. Before you go, if you learned something new, please consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson.
And to help us create better lessons for you, we have one question. Please leave your answer in the comments below. The question is, what's the hardest part of introducing yourself in English? Knowing what to say or feeling confident enough to say it?
We can't wait to read your answers. Thank you again for joining us.
Until next time, keep boosting your business English. Goodbye.